Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the best Ghanaian rice water or rice pudding. So if you want to know how to make the best rice water, keep on watching and let's get started. So for this recipe I'm going to use 2 cups of rice. This is perfumed rice. You can use any type of rice you like. Then I'm going to add in water and wash the rice. So I washed the rice about 2 times. Then I'm going to discard that water because I do not need it. Next, I am going to add in some fresh water. So for 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add 11 cups of water. 1 cup of water is 250 ml. So now you can do the maths. Okay, so this is to start the cooking process. I'll be adding 1 more cup later on. So now I'm going to add in some salt to taste. Then I am going to stir, cover and cook on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. But in between these 15 minutes, I'll come and check on my rice. So guys, this is after 15 minutes of cooking. I am going to stir it, make sure it doesn't burn. And then I am going to add my last cup of water. So this is it. Then again, I am going to stir, cover, and leave it to cook for a further 5 minutes on a medium heat to low. I am back now, guys, and now the last step is adding a nutmeg. So I've decided to add fresh grated nutmeg, but please feel free to use nutmeg powder, whichever one you prefer or you have. So the quantity depends on you, but please do not add too much or it will take over your rice pudding. Okay, just a little bit. So now stir it and leave it for another 3 minutes on the lowest heat possible. Okay, and guys, this is my Ghana rice water. It smells amazing and it is perfectly cooked. This will serve about 5 people. So now let's eat. So this is how we do it in Ghana, or I should say this is how I like doing it. So I first add the rice. It's nice and mushy, nice and soft. And then I'm going to add my sugar. Yeah. And again, the quantity of sugar you want to add really depends on you. You can also add brown sugar. That's even better. It's healthier, I think. Or coconut sugar. Any sugar you like. Okay, so the sugar. And then, of course, most important is the milk. So in Ghana, we like using the evaporated milk. And this is the Carnation, that brand. I think everybody knows Carnation. So yeah, and that makes it, oh my god, look at this creamy rice water. Tell me guys in the comments, what do you like eating it with? I just like eating it on its own because I think it's filling. So yeah guys, this is my recipe. It's the end. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to leave me a comment, to try it, to follow me, to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Take care and see you. Bye.